Yo, what's up guys? Teacher Paul over here. Здравствуйте. Привет всем. Today we are reacting to Diana Ankudinova and she is singing Blizzard Again. So this song has been sung by Dimash and I absolutely wish Dimash would sing with Diana. I want to see that one day. Guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell, like this video, and let's go straight to Diana. This is day 5, well, actually day 10 of reacting to Diana. Let's go. I can't wait to hear her sing that. And she's singing with, what is his name? His name is Ilya Viktorov, I think. Blizzard Again. I'm sorry, my screen is acting up. You know, it's blinking, but okay, I think now we're good. This is a beautiful song. That voice. He's also good. That is a beautiful performance by Victor and Diana. Wow. Diana Ankudinova with Victor. This was nice. Let's watch one more. I don't know what song this is though. He has a nice voice. Who is he? If you guys know, let me know. It's a nice song. It's a very slow and most probably emotional. I don't know if it's a sad song though.
Звездная память друг друга, мы память, мы звездная память друг друга. Я знаю, с тобой не расстанемся мы эхо, мы долгое эхо друг друга, мы
This is nice. It's so subtle, so smooth. Such a good combination of voices. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wow. I should watch more of his video as well. But Diana, she also always has a beautiful voice. And when you see her performing, she's always intense. But here she was very smooth, calm. You know, it was a nice, gentle song. And I hope you guys liked it. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, like this video. And if you still don't know Diana, or if you found out about her just now, then go subscribe to her. She has great stuff. I'll see you. Take care now. Bye-bye. See you next time.